Hey students, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 1 question number 22. Given the following statements, two statements are given and one table definition is given. Which one of the following statement is correct? And four options are given. Let's analyze one by one statement. Statement 1. A foreign key declaration can always be replaced by an equivalent check assertion in SQL. When we delete an element from the parent table, its referential integrity is no longer valid. Hence, this is false. So, a check constraint cannot replace a foreign key. The statement is false. S2. Given the table are A, B, C, where A, B together form the primary key. Now in this create table S, A is a integer, D is a integer, A integer, primary key is D, foreign key A, reference R. So it is saying the following is a valid table definition. No, here A, B combinedly form a primary key in table R. So A only cannot be foreign key referred to R. There should be A, B both. As combinedly A, B form a primary key. Hence, foreign key should be A, B both. Hence, this is false. We found both statement 1 and statement 2 false. It's in option D. Both S1 and S2 are false. I already discussed what is primary key, what is foreign key. Just go through the lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.